Hello everyone, welcome back to We Food Hard. Today we are going to be making a bacon cheeseburger pizza. We figured this would be a great time to do this because summer's right around the corner, and who doesn't love cheeseburgers and who doesn't love pizza? So we figured we'd put both of them together. So before we get started, I'll just go through our list of ingredients here real quick. We are actually trying out some pizza dough that we found at Costco, pre-made pizza dough. So we'll put that in the description down below and we'll let you know how that turns out. We also have ground beef that I browned in a pan. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. That's kind of what I put on my burgers when I throw them on the grill, so I figured I'd brown it and season it like I would a burger. We have some shredded cheddar cheese. I have some barbecue sauce, which is going to be the base for my pizza instead of like a red sauce. I'm sure you could use ketchup if you don't like barbecue sauce, but I like barbecue sauce, so that's what I'm using. I have some bacon that I partially cooked. That way the raw bacon will not cook fully on a pizza, and then you're going to have just a greasy mess. So I partially cooked that, chopped it up, that's going on there, and then I have some sweet onion and some pickle that's going to go on there as well. Those are essentials when I'm eating a burger, so I thought they would go great. They would go great on this pizza. So without further ado, let's get this thing built. Alright, so now that our pizza is built, I'm going to throw it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to watch my cheese, make sure it's melted, but it's not getting burnt, and we'll see when it's out. Alright, so our pizza just came out of the oven. Look at this thing, it is beautiful looking. I don't know if you can see that really well, but the cheese is nicely melted. The crust is actually browned pretty well. I'm going to cut into it just so we can do the crust test and see how it sounds here, since this is a new experience for me and I've never used this pre-made pizza dough before. So, like what I'm hearing though so far. Alright, so just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. We hope you all found it useful. We thought this was a really cool topping idea, and like I said earlier, I love burgers and I love pizza, so I figured I'd put them together. If you guys did like this video, make sure you like it and make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Don't forget, work hard, food harder. Oh, it tastes just like a cheeseburger. Bacon cheeseburger. I have the onion, the pickle, the barbecue sauce. The crust is actually awesome. It's crispy, but it's not too dense. It's actually pretty light. It was awesome. Hope you guys like watching this. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.